all traditional style photo editors have a clone brush. We could be doing this in Photoshop, but I'm going to be doing it in Paint Shop Pro version 7. It's a 15-year-old version of Paint Shop Pro that's very simple, very clean, very easy to learn, and it's so old that it's free. Here's our image. We're trying to get rid of this green lens flare, and the first thing I'm going to do is zoom right in on it so I get a really good look at it. And I'm going to grab my clone brush. In this case, here's the size of my brush. The opacity means that each time I use my brush, it's only going to be about half there. I'm going to have to build up with the brush a little bit. I'm going to make my brush a little bit larger. And the way a clone brush works is if I right-click, in this particular software, I right-click and it samples it, and then with a left click, I paint with it. I'm going to undo that. And I'm going to start by clicking right on this mountain line. There's my sample. Here's my paint. I'm just going to paint most of that right out of there. There's a little bit of green here, so I'm going to grab a little bit of this and paint right there. And then I'm going to grab this side of the mountain line, right click, left click. Get rid of the green. See this line that comes through here? I'm going to right click on that line and then paint. I'm going to come from this side, right click and paint. Now I'm going to zoom back out so I can see how it looks in the overall context of the image. I'm going to grab some of this tree line and paint. I'm going to grab some of this tree line and paint. Now all I'm doing is just blending, just making it so that no one can see that I've done the work. Make the fog consistent across the mountain line. Just blend it in. And after a while you forget that it was ever there.